Hey y'all, I'm sorry I never got to make the video about removing vein stains, and it was because my horse Miles here, he had a little surgery to remove his cancer. Melanoma cancer is a type of skin cancer, and it causes like little lumps that protrude out of the skin, or not out of the skin, but underneath the skin, like on the surface, and it can kind of bug them if you poke it or prod it and pinch it. Why, hello. So we got it removed. And so I documented the whole thing, and I thought it'd be really interesting to tell y'all about it and just give you some of the fun facts and everything that he went through, including the recovery process. I just wanted to give y'all a little warning that I do show parts of the surgery in this video, so there is a little bit of blood shown as well as his removed melanoma. This is what Miles's melanoma looked like. As you can see, it is kind of like protruding from underneath the skin. And then the next step, of course, was to wash it off after shaving it to keep it nice and clean during the surgery process. The next step was for our vet, Dr. Ernie Grubb, to inject Miles with a little numbing agent. Miles was sedated during this, but the numbing is just to help with any pain that he may feel while he is sedated. And then our vet is carefully cutting around the little melanoma lump. After Dr. Grubb is done cutting around it, he is carefully prying it away from the skin to safely remove it from Miles. And now Miles's melanoma lump is safely removed, and here it is. It's kind of like a dark black charcoaly looking thing. It was actually pretty hard too. I got to look at it, and it's about the size of a quarter, so not too big. The next step that Dr. Grubb does is to stitch Miles's up so that way his wound is closed and it can safely heal. And here it is. Good boy, Miles. He's so cute. After the surgery, Miles had to be stalled for about 2 weeks. He could go out and graze, but just 2 weeks to stay in the stall so he didn't stretch out the stitches and it could stay nice and uninfected and clean. This is a picture of his wound about 3 days after his surgery, and this is about a week, and this is about 2.5 weeks. So as you can see, it healed pretty fast. This is Miles now. As you can see, you can't see anything. The white spots are just because he's a dapple gray, but really there's no lumps. You can't feel anything from the surgery. And here's his hind, where he had one removed when he was about 3. There is a little white spot, but I think that's also just because he's a gray. But as you can see, it healed very nicely. Miles and I thank you for watching, and stay tuned for some more videos. Bye!